What's the meaning of cardiovascular? Cardiovascular. Cardiovascular.
Cardiovascular. Cardiovascular. Cardiovascular refers to the circulatory system, consisting of the heart and blood vessels. It plays a crucial role in supplying oxygen and nutrients to various parts of the body. Cardiovascular diseases refer to a group of disorders that affect the heart and blood vessels, including coronary artery disease, hypertension, heart failure, and stroke. The risk factors for cardiovascular disease include age, gender, genetics, lifestyle choices such as smoking and poor diet, obesity, physical inactivity, stress, and underlying medical conditions such as diabetes. Preventative measures include regular exercise, healthy diet, stress management, and avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol consumption.